Hey guys, hope you're all okay. So today I'm doing a tutorial on my delicious chocolate date fingers recipe. Firstly, it's very important that you use some good quality dates. I'm using this premium Palestinian Majdul dates from Holy Land Dates, which are so fresh, plump and sweet. I will link them in the caption and give you a special discount code. For the chocolate date fingers, you will need 1 packet Marie Biscuit finely crushed, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1.5 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoon golden syrup, 1.5 tablespoon castor sugar, 50 grams chopped almonds, 125 grams butter, 100 grams chopped dates from the Holy Land Dates. Start by melting butter, golden syrup and sugar in a pan on low heat. Keep mixing it till it all melts and combines together properly. Once that is done, add in the cocoa powder, ginger powder, cinnamon powder and mix well again. Next, you want to add in the crushed biscuits, nuts and dates and give it a really good mix. Make sure you keep mixing it till it all comes together. Now take it off the heat and transfer it into a non-stick tray and press it down nicely. I use a steel spoon or a flat steel surface to do that. Let it cool for an hour or two. Once it's set, add the melted chocolate on top and decorate as desired. I will do another tutorial on how I did my design. Let the chocolate set completely and then cut using a very sharp knife. And that's it. They are ready to eat. Full recipe will be in the captions below. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. That's all for today. Bye guys!